Scanner aligned. Material composition check complete.
Confirmed. Logging traceability data now.
Strap tension is calibrated.
Humidity levels are optimal. Ready for cutting phase.
There's a discrepancy readout here.
It's just a surface variation. We'll correct it during roughing.
This specialized blue ceramic coating manages the extreme heat during CNC drilling.
The temperature curve is stabilizing right on target.
Pressure holding steady at 2,000 psi.
In process B, the induction coil melts the internal alloy support. The liquefied material is then drained.
Force application is complete.
Sensor feedback is green across the board. The installation is successful.
X-ray scan complete. Porosity is 0.
Weld integrity confirmed.
The laser alignment on manifold Charlie is spot on.
Confirmed. The jig shows 0 deviation on the bends.
The particle counter confirms a perfect 0 reading, ensuring the rigorous cleanliness standards for aerospace certification are met.
Vibration sequence initiated. Process A holding steady.
Good. Monitor for leaks as the frequency increases. The pressure differential is critical now.
The titanium manifold block is the critical input material for Process B, ready for integration with the high-pressure stainless steel tubing.
Ensure the jig alignment holds steady during the transfer.
Understood. Engaging the pneumatic wrench now.
Process A extraction is confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to secondary assembly.
Torque set on panel 4.
Verified. We are green for the pressure test.
Checks complete on the port side.
Starboard side secured. Ready for extraction.
Process B final certification complete. The system is approved.
Noted. Supervisor.
Monitor the stabilization on the rear mount.
It is within tolerance. Data is green across the board.
Easy now, just a few more millimeters down.
Got it. Looks good on my side.
Confirmed seated, all clear for release.
Route remains green. All parameters stable. confirming successful handover to the external supply chain.
Okay, bring it down slowly, just a few millimeters.
Steady, steady. Watch the clearance on the left side. It's almost there.
Torque is set on the high-pressure line.
Verified. The alignment is perfect, connection is secure.
High-pressure lines secured and checked for leaks.
Roger. Initiating hydraulic sequence. Stand clear of the wings.
Hydraulic power engaged. 5,000 psi and steady. Leak check successful.
Pressure looks nominal on the manifold.
Confirmed. No leaks detected at high pressure.
Sweep is clean.
Ground to cockpit, initial sweep parameters are nominal. Synchronization confirmed. System is green.
The wing sweep hydraulic manifold facilitates operation.
With the hydraulic manifold assemble complete, the Tu-160 is certified. The wings sweep back, ready for...